Netflix is adding an audio-only mode in its Android app. And I think it's a good idea. I know Netflix is not exactly the app you think about when you think about listening in the background. But I have to be honest with you, Will, the busier I've got, the more I find myself listening to YouTube in the background. And I'm not talking about music. I'm talking about videos that I really feel I want to catch up on. However, it's harder for me to set aside the time. And I'll just have it playing over the audio in the car. You know what I mean? Maybe I'll start a video inside. I'll jump in the car. The Bluetooth will still be connected. I'll turn the screen off, YouTube background play on YouTube Premium, and I'll just finish the video without watching the video. I know it sounds terrible. You're like, it's a video. You got to watch the video. But you can extract a certain percentage of the information listening. I guess this show's an example. If you consume this show on YouTube, you might want the audio. And there's plenty of stuff like that on Netflix. Maybe it's a documentary. You're trying to learn something, and you need to preserve bandwidth.
Yeah.
And you're like, I want to watch this awesome documentary, and I really want to hear the interviews that take place in the documentary. I can visualize whatever visuals would have been there. You know, it's a World War II documentary or something. Or maybe it's a portion thing where when you aren't traveling, you watch a certain amount in the video mode and then a certain amount in the audio mode.
Yeah, I would see like a comedy show would be useful for audio.
A live comedy performance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or like Letterman has like a talk show on Netflix. So.
Yep. These are all great ideas, and it's nice to have an option there. I don't know if there's any filmmakers that are upset about it. Probably.
Yeah.
Anyway, now you can, while watching a video, you will see a video off button at the top of the full screen video player. Once the video is turned off, a blank screen will appear, along with all of the playback controls, a scrub bar, forward, backward buttons, and speed adjustments, but just no video playing. Now, you can turn the video back on at any moment in time. You and I were talking about how YouTube deals with this. You just minimize it. It plays in the background. We were curious, though, if it keeps on streaming the full
video portion,
the full data rate,
the
video portion, or if it toggles back once you've minimized it to only stream the audio. It's a curious question because bandwidth does become an issue for some users who are have very limited data. Anyway, audio is becoming the new thing. It's becoming very popular. You have
look at
Spotify making all of its moves in podcasting.
Yeah.
Twitter launched an audio-only aspect where you could just post audio. I think TikTok's doing something audio-only. And now Netflix is going to have an audio-only feature,